Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to get Meta AI chat on Messenger. Sometimes Messenger may not show the Meta AI or Ask AI chat option, and this can happen if the feature hasn't rolled out for your account yet, or if your app or phone isn't fully updated. You can still try a few steps to enable or request it. Here's how to do it on your mobile device. First, open the Messenger application on your phone. Look at the bottom right corner of the screen. In some accounts, the Meta AI option will already appear there. If you can't find it, don't worry, you can check it through Settings. Now tap on the three lines from the bottom right corner to open the menu. Then tap on Settings and carefully scroll through the options to see if there is anything related to Meta AI or Ask AI. If you still don't see it, go back and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Messenger, then tap on it. If the app shows an update button, tap on it to get the latest version, because Meta AI usually appears in the updated app. Next, go back to your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on System. Here, tap on Reset Options. Don't worry, this will not erase your data, it just refreshes the system settings. After that, go back and tap on About Phone. Here, check your Android version, and make sure your phone's software is updated, because older versions may not support this feature. If the Meta AI option is still missing, go back to your home screen. Hold the Messenger app icon, and uninstall the app. Once it's removed, open the Play Store and reinstall the app. This sometimes helps in refreshing hidden features. Now, open Messenger again and go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Report Technical Problem. Select Report Anyway, then tap on Don't Include when asked about logs. Here, type a clear message to the support team. For example, in my phone, the Meta AI and Ask AI option are not showing. Please help me sort this out. Finally, tap on Send from the top right corner. This way, your request will go directly to Messenger's support team, and they may enable the feature for your account in the next update. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.